Hello friends, today I'm gonna make a song for kids. It is called 12 months of the year. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the. So now I'm gonna sing 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are all the 7 days in a week. Yay, yay, yay. So now again I'm gonna make a song of animals sounds. Okay? So cow does moo. Sheep does meh, 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 meh. Donkey does ee-ah. Roosters do cuckoo cuckoo, cuckoo cuckoo. Birds do horses do meh, 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 meh. Elephant do. So these are the animal sounds. Thank you for watching, kids. If you are adults, tell them to watch this short video to subscribe. Please make your kids to learn some more activities. I sent one short video that is one little finger, so you can check that and then it will be very nice for your kids. So if you like the short video, please like and subscribe and comment. Bye kids. Bye adults.